Okay, guys. This opportunity, I will show you how to install laravel project. Okay, for the first, we have to go to the laravel website. Okay, we will use laravel 8, and we choose installation laravel, and then to we can go to okay, wait this what is this comment, yes. Okay, and right now we have to go to the folder that we will keep on our project. After that, we have to open terminal, and then we have to paste the command on this Windows PowerShell on your terminal. Or like you can use other terminal like Git Bash or whatever you have. Okay, we have to wait the installation, and of course, don't forget to keep it on the Wi-Fi or your internet. Okay, this is about 97%. Okay, okay, we can wait the installation again. So many file of this project. After that, we can uh, after already installed, we have uh, we, we can we can open it on this terminal right now. Like we have to comment it with cd. Okay, we have to use cd command, and after that we can type our project name. After we have comment this folder, or we have opened this folder, we have to type code space dot. After that, we have to enter it. Nice. This command will direct us to the Visual Studio Code, and this is package that we have downloaded. Yes, this is about the app folder that fill with console folder, exception folder, HTTP models, providers. We will, but the thing that we will use it often is like this folder HTTP on controller. We we have to we have make a controller for controlling our website, and the models, like we have to have an database or models for transacting the data to our web, and then we go to this folder database, and we will use this migration folder often. And of course, we have to create a migration for getting blueprint of our database. Like this. We have a migration of users table, and this field will same with the database, of course, like this. Its name, and in the file user.php will fill with the name, and then email, password, and user.php will fill with email and password. Okay, this is it. This is the fault of fill the migration table. We don't have to change it or mm, get it on our website. And then this is public storage. This is public for we save or we keep our storage link or our asset from image or for template. And then this is research to save our JavaScript or CSS custom for customize our website and style that we make by ourselves. And then this is the root, and the often file that we have we have often to use is web.php, because this root will direct us from a controller to the what view, which view we, and then the storage folder is to save our image, and then we have to set our web in this file that is .env. We have to fill this. We have to fill this from local to public, and then we have to fill it of the database username and database password. After that, we have to open some pp control panel, and we have to create database. Okay, before that, we have to start the Apache and MySQL. After that, we type the database name, like this is how we choose the name, example DB. For after that, we have to save the file with Control S. Okay, after the Apache and MySQL already start, we have to go to our local admin or PHP local admin. Like we have to type the local host. Okay, we can open it from some ppf like this. Oh, we don't like that. I forgot the URL. Oh, yeah, I already forgot it. Mm, okay, on this page, we have to create a new database with new button. After that, we have to fill the name of database like we have fill in this file on .env example underscore db underscore db. After that, we have to click the create button, and then we have to open the control panel, the terminal, and then we have to get our migration for fill this database. We have php artisan migrate. Okay, after that, enter it, and from this, click on this blank table. If we refresh it, it it will fill. Okay, just refresh the page. No, we have to open example underscore db, and then yes, this is filled, was filled.